Hi, Hector Cam here with Music Creators Workshop, a show about music making methods for different media. Today's topic, mixing vocals. The vocals are the main part of any modern mix, so it's essential to get them right. But sometimes the recordings tend to sound a little thin. How can we create a strong vocal sound in the mix? Fortunately, iZotope is here to save the day with its new free plugin, Vocal Doubler. Let's listen to what it does.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like sheep to the rhythm of the war drums.
Sounds cool, huh? I'm going to show you how to get it running in your system. You'll find the link in the description below. After clicking on the link, we'll get to the plugins page. First, click on System Requirements to make sure your computer and DAW can run this plugin. Great! Now, back at the plugins page, click on Get Vocal Doubler and enter your email address. Then hit Proceed. This will take you to the account creation form. Just enter your details and click Save to get your serial number. Finally, press the Download button. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the instructions by clicking Next until the installation is complete and hit Finish to close the window. Vocal Doubler is ready. Let's take it for a spin. This is a sample project I created for this test. It's a cover of the song Pet by A Perfect Circle, recorded with my own vocals. Let me just say that this project is nowhere near finished. I just recorded some tracks to show you how this plugin works, so please forgive me for the messy sound. As you've previously noticed, I'm not much of a singer really, so Vocal Doubler will help my singing track sound less empty against the rest of the instruments. To start using the plugin, we need to authorize it by loading it to an insert slot, clicking Authorize and entering our serial number, name and email. To confirm, hit Authorize and Submit. Alright, we're ready to begin mixing these vocals. Vocal Doubler offers 3 simplified parameters: separation, variation and amount. Let's hit play and listen to what the plugin can do right out of the box.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like sheep to the rhythm of the war drums.
Click Bypass and listen to the dry recording.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come.
Now, let's move the knob around to get a feel for the position that offers the best result for this recording.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like sheep to the rhythm of the war drums.
Finally, we can adjust the amount of wet signal with the amount knob.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like sheep to the rhythm of the war drums.
That's it. Simple and easy. Let's listen to the result against the rest of the arrangement and hit Bypass to compare the original and the processed signal.
Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like sheep to the rhythm of the war drums. Lay your head down, child, I won't let the boogeyman come. Counting bodies like
Vocal Doubler is an awesome tool to get those vocals right and ready. I post a couple of videos like this one every month, along with others related to music and audio production. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can improve your skills with us. Welcome to the workshop.